How to log in Facebook Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to sign in or log in into your Facebook Messenger application. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, make sure you download and install Messenger application from your Play Store or App Store. Simply launch Play Store or App Store and search Messenger. Tap Install button and download to your device. Once done, tap Open button and then launch Messenger. Now once you land on the sign in section of Messenger, tap mobile number or email section and enter your credentials, and then you need to enter your password too. Tap Allow to send you notifications. Once you enter all your credentials, tap Login button and you can successfully now sign in to your Facebook Messenger following this method. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.